Now, let's we start our exercise part of this chapter number 2. Think and do. Here is one question A. Fill in the missing words. First, the stomach helps to digest food. So, you have to complete the spelling of food here. Second, the brain helps us to think. Here you have to complete the spelling of think. Third, the heart pumps blood. The heart pumps blood. Fourth, the lungs help us breathe. So these are the functions of our inside body parts. Okay. Now come to the question number B. Look at the pictures, circle in blue where sense organs are used. Circle in red where other body parts are used. In these pictures, you have to circle the body parts where we are using our sense organs. We know how many sense organs we have. In the previous chapter, we already learned about that. We have 5 sense organs. Which are they? Yes, nose, eyes, ear, tongue and skin. Okay, so in these pictures, if these 5 things are using in any picture, then we are saying we have to circle with a blue color, and the rest of the pictures we have to circle with red color. In the first picture, the girl is swimming. So in the swimming there is no need of any sense organs. That means the girl is using her hands. So you have to color it with red. In the second picture, the boy is smelling something. So when he is smelling, whenever we are smelling, we are using our nose. So nose is our sense organ. So we have to color this picture. We have to circle this picture with a blue color. Now in the third picture, the boy is singing. When this boy is singing, he is using his mouth. So mouth is not our sense organ. It is a part of our body. Okay, it's a body part. So we have to circle with red color. In the fourth picture, 2 boys are playing in the park or in the garden. When they are playing, they are playing football and they are using their legs. Okay, so in this picture there is no need of any sense organs. That means legs are the body part. It is not our sense organs. So we have to circle it with red color. I hope you understand this. Now come to the next page of this exercise. Okay. In this next picture, if you see the first picture, then the girl is seeing in the sky and she is watching stars and moon. So when we are watching something, we are using our sense organs, that is eyes, and eyes is our sense organ, so we have to circle it with blue. Now here is one boy. He is taking warmth with the help of this fire. Okay, अब वो क्या कर रहा है बेटा, इसमें जो है वो उसको ठंडी लग रही है और वो उस फायर से जो अपने आप बॉडी को गर्म कर रहा है. ओके, सो एट दिस टाइम दिस इज फीलिंग हॉट एंड कोल्ड. ही फील हॉट एंड कोल्ड. ओके, दिस टाइम we feel with our skin hot and cold. So this is our sense organ is here using, so we circle with blue. Here one girl is listening music. Okay, at this time this girl is using her ears. Ears is a sense organ. It is also our body part, but it is also called a sense organs. So this picture also we have to circle with blue color. In the next picture, the boy and girls are drinking water. Okay, so when we are drinking or eating something, with the help of mouth. Mouth is a part of our body. It is not our sense organs. So you have to circle it with red color. I hope these all things are understand. Now if you have not done, then complete this work in your book only. Now come to the question number C. In the question number C, write IBP. Here the full form of IBP for inside body part or OBP for outside body part for the following pictures. Means the pictures are given to you and you have to use OBP and IBP. If this part is outside body parts, that means you have to write down OBP, and if this part is inside our body, then you have to use IBP. First is hand. Hand is our outside body parts, that means you have to write down OBP. Then second picture of our lungs. Lungs are our inside body parts, that means you have to write down IBP. The third picture is our heart. The heart is inside our body, so you have to write down IBP. The fourth picture is our eyes, that is outside body part, so we have to write down OBP. The fifth picture is our legs, that is also our outside body parts. Okay, so you have to write down OBP. In the fifth picture, that is our brain. Brain is inside our skull, that means in our head. So this is inside our body, so we write down inside body parts. I hope this exercise is clear to you and you will complete this exercise and submit to your respected teacher. Now one more exercise is here, learning by doing. In this exercise, what we are doing, please make the children recite the following poem with the mentioned actions. Okay, this is a poem and you have to recite this poem. Recite this poem with these mentioned actions. This is the circle